population aging translates as the top of the population pyramid, which is enlarging faster than the basis of the pyramid, which means that the share of the old age population or the population ages 60 or 65 and older is growing faster than the share of the other parts of the population. See here the population pyramid of Algeria and its expected evolution from now to up to 2070, and here we observe the ratio of the people at working age for 1 people at retirement age, or it's the ratio of the population aged between 15 to 59 on the population aged 60 and older. This ratio has always evolved between 6 to 8. So we used to have, from the independence of Algeria to now, we used to have around from 6 to 8 people at working age, corresponding to 1 people at retirement age. Starting from 2022, this ratio is expected to fall down. The value of 6 for the first time in history, and expected to reach a value below 3 for 1 starting from 2045.